My name is AFRIFA-MENSAH, the Executive Director of Kannia Foundation. Today we are at Mepe to ascertain the gravity of the damage that has been caused by the flood.
We are here in Bato, the Chief's Palace, in Mepe. We are here in Mepe, the Chief's Palace. Information that we gathered is that this is the central point for all the relief items that are coming in. And I think that it is important that we adhere to best practices in all the things that we do. So we decided to bring the items here and bag them, water, food, clothing, and other essentials. And we hope to alleviate the suffering of the village dwellers in Mepe by distributing these items. And we are very, very shocked about the situation. And we think that our help will go a long way to help keep them under control of some sort.
Okay, good. Can you help us by listing some of the items that were brought to help those in dire need?
Okay, we brought water, about 1,000 we have so far distributed for the event, 1,000 bags of Voltic water. You know, Voltic water too is one of the top brand qualities that we have at the moment in the country. No, I think the people in Mepe deserves a better quality of water. We see other brands here, but I think we should be able to give them the top brand, you know, of water, sachet water. So we brought water, we brought some used clothing, we brought other essentials, anti-snake bites and mattresses, treated mosquito bed nets, and a lot of other items. In fact, there are varied of them, you know. So
for how long do you think these items could be beneficial to the people?
We actually don't have the statistics of what the population of Mepe is like, you know. I am pretty sure that if even it is not enough for all of them, it will go a long way to save the situation of some sort, since some of the relief items are coming from other corporate bodies. You know, this is just our humble way of saying that we are with you, and that we will be able to get out of this together.
And we are here to donate items to the people of Mepe. We have clothing, we have water, 1,000 bags of water, and clothing and other relief items for the people of Mepe.
So how far would this donation go? With respect to this donation, how far would it go? How would it's going to help them?
We believe that the people of Mepe, it will help alleviate the burden on the people of Mepe. And water is essential, and that is what we brought in large quantity for the people here.
Normally here, Mepe here, they have 5 crowns. So all the crown bring 2 persons represent their crowns. So when the thing come to the chief palace like this, they have committees. So those people, they will receive it and then they will share it to all the clowns, and then the clowns too, they will share to every house in the Mepe town here. Normally the thing doesn't affect Mepe alone, it affects Bato too. But Mepe is the most place that affect mostly. So that's why we are here this morning.
And do you think this donation is going to help the people who are in trouble?
No. This one, that's a big no. About from now, about a month time and come, it will be worth it than this one. Right now, this small release, people are taking it. But I think when this release has finished, because some of their rice, cassava, their plantains, a lot of things, the water have taken over, the flood have taken over. So I think by 1 month, 2 months later, it will be worse than this one. So I think we need more release from it. So.
My name is Akosombo, the Executive Director of Kannia Foundation. Today we are at Mepe to ascertain the gravity of the damage that has been caused by the flood. And we can see the gravity of the flood from the marks that are showing on the walls. We brought in relief items, and we believe that these relief items will go a long way to help alleviate the suffering of the people.
Saved our people's life by providing us with water, food,
are really grateful. I mean, what happened was that the dam, Akosombo Dam, was opened and it came to flood our people. It destroyed all our properties, almost all our properties. And so our people came to need water and medicines to survive. So we are very grateful. You know, you have heard a lot. You have been saying it, you have been hearing it in the news. So your coming is a lot to us. Thank you so much for coming.
It's been affected so hugely, and the impact that it had on us is very, very, very not good looking, and we are still praying to God that it goes down and never comes back again.
The foundation, Kannia Foundation, and for those who can understand the English, we have just at my right side the leader of the team, the CEO of Kannia Foundation, Reverend Eric Saki.
Yeah, but see when you take the picture with the representative of the community development chairman.